Okay, hello everybody. In this quick short video, I just want to do a quick demonstration to show how easy actually doing the green man leaves are. The leaves can be any kind of leaves you want to be. They can be oak leaves, they can be maple leaves, they can be any kind of leaves you want. So I just want to quickly show you how to do them if you don't. This is for the beginning carvers, right? Or even experienced carvers that just never done them. So it's basically like fish scales or dragon scales. So you got to think of like, pretend here's some fish scales, okay? And they're all overlapping, right? So you just pretend the leaves are doing the same thing and overlapping one another. So let's just, let's make our leaves go this way. We'll wrap around here just so you can see. Okay, so there's a little bend there. You can do this on whatever you want to do. And I don't suggest you carve a wood spirit if you're a beginner on a flat piece of wood. This is the hardest wood spirit to do, is on a face on a flat piece of wood for the beginner. Okay, so let's just do a silly little oak leaf here. Yeah, I know this isn't a perfect oak leaf for the oak leaf pros. I'm just trying to show what's going on. Okay, funny oak leaf. All right, so you can make one coming out here. So pretend you're putting this oak leaf, you're going to draw this oak leaf on, but you're only drawing on half of it here. So you just kind of, okay, and then you put one here. Could just be the top of the oak leaf, and then we'll put one coming down, following this line. Okay, they're silly looking oak leaves, but you get my point. So this will be the only oak leaf you're seeing, the full one. Then this one's 3/4, this one's half, and this one's 3/4 you see of the leaf, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this twice the speed, or 3 times the speed. I'm going to start off with the rotozip wall tile cutter bit, okay? And I'm going to carve these lines, like Ryan Cook says, true to the lines, straight up and down, okay? And I'm not going to go too deep on this. This is the quick example, okay? So pretend this is just his beard or something. So anyways, let me get carving here. And then I'll switch to another burr, and I'll say when I switch to the other burr. Okay, so right here, right away, you can just shoot the cameraman, but I was cutting straight up, straight down, outside of the lines, or on the line, I should say. That razor tip wall tile cutter bit is a pretty aggressive bit, and it jumps, it can dig pretty deep. So there you can see the first leaf cut in. Just cutting the shapes, that's it. Sorry about the cameraman, he got fired. Okay, so I'm just, what am I doing here? I'm cutting a little bit more. Now I'm going to be swapping out my burr, I believe. Yep, I got there's a Kutzall taper burr, extreme. Now what I'm going to do is take away all the wood outside of the leaves. Excuse me. Hey Ben, Studio on the Lake, how you doing? So I'm just removing all the wood away from the leaves, making the leaves exposed higher on the piece of wood. So dropping this piece of wood out, getting that piece of wood out of there too, and then to make your leaves exposed, right? See how the leaves are starting to pop out? So the big thing I want to say is feathering away your cut marks, right? I'm always feathering away the cut marks. The more that you feather it away and make it like a slow uphill, the least those will look like the leaves will look like they're carved in. It will look like they're naturally just placed there, right? And once again, guys, this is for the very beginning wood carver. And if you're one of those magic pros, you watch this video, well, hello. Okay, so I'm going to swap out my burr again. Now you can see the leaves are raised higher now. Now oh no, what I'm doing now is still feathering down the wood, the leaves, making that leaf that's closer to me look like it's tucking under the main leaf. So this leaf is going to be tucking under where I'm cutting it, tucking under that leaf there, right? See how it looks like it's coming out from up and under it now? Now this one is coming out from both leaves. See? On the right there, it's tucking it underneath that leaf. And it's also going to tuck underneath where I'm pointing. It's going to tuck underneath that leaf. Sorry everybody, I get confused trying to explain this. You see how it's tucked under now? I'm just getting rid of the square edges there. Okay, so now I'm starting undercuts underneath the leaves, right? The undercuts will give you the shadow effect to make it look like they're sitting on top of the wood. Just rounding everything off again. Sorry. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going to remove more of the extra wood on the outside to make it look like they're not just cut in, like there's big, I'm removing the big bumps. That's what I'm doing, okay? I'm feathering it away, making it seem like it's they're not cut in. So like a slow uphill, gradually, right? Not just like don't do your cut and just remove a bit of the wood so there's a big bump there. Get rid of the bump. That's what removing, feathering away is, getting rid of the bump from your cut mark. See? Still a lot more to do there too. See that there? Take it back. You know, the more time that you spend feathering away the outside wood of your carving, see, here I'm doing more. The more time that you spend taking away that wood to make your leaves look like they were just placed there, not carved there, the better your carving is going to look. And once again, here it comes. Everything's in my opinion. Just feathering everything down, right? If you look on the right there, you can see that dip from the leaves. I still have to, if I was going to leave these on here, I'd have to take all that wood away on the right. Anyways, okay, now I'm going to come back and do the undercuts underneath the leaves. And I get rid of the cut mark at the same time. Okay. And I think I speed it up here twice the speed. But I got the taper burr on again. So zoom in. So you see I'm separating the leaves from the wood. See the shadows come out, pop there now on that one leaf in the top left? The undercuts make them look like they're not attached to the wood. I know I repeat myself and I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to get it through to everybody. And you know, me doing this piece, it's probably like a 10-minute carving for me, but I'm still practicing to do the leaves and practicing quicker ways to do the undercuts and stuff like that. So when you do the undercuts, it's important to get rid of your undercut line. You'll see a bump there, right? All right, I'm just kind of reshaping the leaves again. You'll see that bump there. Get rid of that bump. Like if you look on the right, actually, I wish I could put my finger in there right now and point to where I'm talking about. That's what you get for doing voiceover, I guess. Now look at them. They're pronounced. Okay, here is 80 grit diamond burr. Just going to cut in the details in the leaves, like the vein lines, and clean everything up quickly. This is twice the speed. And it works good to get rid of your cut lines away from your undercuts. Okay, here you go. Boom, one down the center. Branch a couple off, just like normal leaves. There's some better lighting, eh, Jordy? See how it's bringing them to life? Okay, so there you go. I hope this video's been able to help somebody. Just to goes to show you how simple it is. It's really not that difficult, right? So if you look at this, this is your center leaf. It's a little bit flat. I could shape it, but I'm not interested in doing that right now. Then this leaf's coming out this way. This one's coming out. They're all overlapped, right? So for number 1, number 2, number 3. Just try and practice overlapping your things and getting rid of your friggin' undercut marks. So that's it. That's how easy it is, guys. Now I'm going to finish this off. I might as well make this a carving. So I'm going to do a little acorn here. I don't know. I've never carved acorn before. Let's put another one here. And it's the same thing. Just kind of overlapping them, I guess. I guess I should look at a picture of acorn. But yeah, and then I'll cut this out and it can be a wall hanger or something. So anyways. Okay, guys, so here it is. I just got my roto zip, cut it out, put some Mod Podge on it, drilled a little hole to put a hanger on it, and there you go. There's just a simple little gift for somebody. Put my initial on the back. Somebody can hang this on their wall in a tree or whatever they want to do. Some of you might say, well, this is just a simple little project. Well, it is a simple little project. For once, I'm going to agree with you. But for the beginning carvers, these simple little projects are going to make it so you're going to be able to do the bigger, more advanced projects, right? And something like this, gift it to a friend. A friend would love to have this hanging on their wall in their bathroom or whatever. You know, I've never carved these little chestnut things. So anyways, that's it. Just a simple little carving, how to do these oak leaves or any kind of leaves you guys want to do. I think the most important thing is your undercuts. And then taking away the undercuts. Anyways, I'll stop talking. So, yeah, that's that. So I got this rock. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of like that salt rock. Super soft. But I'm going to carve this tomorrow. So I'd love to hear what, the next day. After this video is posted, I'd love to hear what you guys think I should carve in this. I got one twice the size. I want to stand it up and carve a koi fish in it. But what should I carve in this one? I don't know. Kind of like crystally there. Anyways, I don't even know what the rock's called. That's it, guys. Hope you're all good.